Tucked on the eastern shores of Lake Turkana is Loiyangalani town. Here, the community has always relied on the county headquarters at Marsabit for financial services. A round trip takes over 10 hours navigating through rough terrain to and from Marsabit town, some 260 kilometers away. It was with great relief that the community here welcomed the launch of Equity Agency, enabling customers to access financial services in their locality for the very first time.
Been trained for this job?
Yeah.
If I wanted to open an account now, what would I have to do?
You fill the form, then we use the phone. Tunatumia simu.
Okay.
Yeah.
The German ambassador lauded Equity Bank for making financial services more accessible and convenient to the local communities in this region.
We have just been unveiling the equity agent business in this region. And this initiative is also very good because it makes the financial services come closer to you. You need not spend a lot of time going to Marsabit or other places, but you have the agent here. And this will also be helpful to develop business.
Saku Member of Parliament, who is also the Assistant Minister of State for Development of Northern Kenya and other arid lands, Hussein Sasura, hailed Equity Bank for taking the bold step of taking financial services to remote parts of Kenya.
Ni banki changa, lakini kiwango ambacho wamefikia saizi ni kuwa na wananchi na wateja mahali wateja wako ambao. Na leo kwa wale ambao wamesomeshwa hapo, hiyo ni muhimu sana kwetu. Maana sisi wafugaji hatuoni mali zetu kama ni pesa. It's high time that the pastoralists look at this livestock in terms of money.
The launch of the agency coincided with the graduation of over 300 graduates of the Financial Knowledge for Africa FiKA program offered by Equity Group Foundation in partnership with the Mastercard Foundation.
Hiyo masomo mmesoma, musiende mweke certificate kando. Enda uifanyishe kazi. Kazi ya budgeting, fanya budgeting. Kazi ya savings, ujue mambo ya savings. Na najua mutaendelea mbele.
Let me also mention something, and this is the Wings to Fly program. I know that the director of Equity Bank is very committed to this program. I was present at the graduation ceremony in Nairobi for the last students, and I'm very proud to say that in addition to the UK ID and US aid and others, Germany will also be a partner for Equity, and we will sponsor the Wings to Fly program with another 2 million euro from next year.
The graduates expressed their gratitude for the training on financial management skills, saying that the knowledge will help them in improving the management of their finances as well as their businesses.
Vile mafunzo nimeona, nikaona mafunzo amenifunza kitu yani amenigusa. Amenionyesha kama mimi sasa nitakuwa nikichunguza hii kitu yangu, niuze, nipate kitu kidogo niweke, ndio baadaye nijisaidie naye ama nisaidie naye mtoto wangu.
We never knew anything about equity, or also something concerning budgets, savings, and also banking services. So now, as the youth of Loiyangalani, we have changed our lifestyle.
Nimejifunza juu ya budget. Budget ni vile kwa mapato ile unapata unaweka katika mpangilio kwa budget, yani kama ni wiki ama ni mwezi kuweka katika mzimu wa kalenda.
When I get the income, it was a problem on how I manage. I could find myself using everything, and when it comes to accounting for the money, I found that I have debts and I don't know where it has come from.
Mimi na biashara ni tofauti. Hata kama biashara ni yangu, lakini mimi na biashara ni tofauti na biashara. Nimeona hii mafunzo amekuwa mzuri kwa mimi sana.
The graduation was preceded by a meeting with local entrepreneurs where the German ambassador urged companies to partner with local communities in helping them to unlock the local economic potential.
Give the communities skills, give them training. And actually I see a lot of things happen. The activities of equity in this region, for example, they contribute a lot to giving people skills. Many other activities are happening here. So doing something to give people education so that they can really take the choice and they can really contribute into investing into their future and having economic possibilities.
The launch agency outlet was a beehive of activity on the weekend, serving thousands of customers who had traveled to Loiyangalani to attend the annual Lake Turkana Festival, organized by the German Embassy in Kenya, together with other partners.
Manufaa ile ambayo agent naona inanipea, ukikuja saizi wewe uje labda ni withdraw hapa, si lazima kama kitu unahitaji na kiko hapo itabidi ununue tu hapo. Utanunua, utatoa pesa tu na utoke uende. Chenye unataka hata ukitoka uende duka ingine utanunua hiyo bei labda. Sasa unaona na encourage nini inaongeza customers zaidi.
Various communities from Marsabit County including Turkana, Samburu, Rendile, Borana, Burji and El Molo showcased their traditional jingles and danced to the delight of the multitude that turned out for the annual festival. Ambassador Helwig Bota thanked the sponsors of the cultural event and urged the youth to get involved in development projects in the county.
Equity Bank train youth, especially women, to be financially informed. Wamama wa Loiyangalani, benki ya Equity inasema ombeni wazee ruhusa wasichana wenu waende shuleni. Na vijana, jiungeni na miradi ya maendeleo. Wekeni pesa vizuri kwa benki ya Equity